Hey everyone, this is Pool Boy, and I just wanted to go over the new training mode that's been built into this newest release of Citrus Dolphin 0.2.0.3. So this new training mode is designed to be a one-on-one with the goalie, which is an improvement from the Strikers 101's limitations. And I'll get into more of that. Let's see how to actually get it going, right? So you're gonna pick the ISO that you have that you want to use. This one right down here is the one that we've been using often in the community. And I'm going to right click on it and go to properties. And it's going to have all these tabs available. We're going to click on the Gecko Codes one. And this training mode Gecko Code will be available to you. You don't need to go and download that or anything. It will be built into this Dolphin. It will come with it. So you can just click the check mark and then close. And it had a description in it about how this works, and you can go back and read that at any time if you need more clarity. But for now, I'm going to try to give my best at explaining what those sentences really mean. So normally when you want to practice in this game, there's a couple ways to do it, but the way the game, I guess, intended was that you come down here to Strikers 101. If you've ever tried to seriously practice in Strikers 101, you might have found that it's not too realistic, as the goalie is the lowest level of difficulty and the CPUs are kind of running around and getting in your way and stuff. Also, it's hard coded to be on pipeline every time. There have been little mods and stuff to get around that, but I think a more comprehensive way has been needed for a while, and that's what I aim to do here. So to do this training mode, you'll go to Grudge Match like normal, and whatever team you want to practice as, you need to select that as the home team, because when this was written, I wrote it with the intention of you being the home team, not the away team. That's just a small clarification. And select, I guess I'll play against Waluigi. And now you can pick any map, unlike on Strikers 101, where they want you to get a pipeline every time. So let's go to Palace, a good old reliable Palace. And more or less what's going to happen here is that we're going to send all of the CPUs away, and it is going to be a one-on-one of us with the goalie, where anytime the goalie gets the ball, or we score, or we enter this manual button press that I'll tell you about in a second, then we will return to this small little area right here. It's just a little bit in front of the pitch. I did that just because you can kind of get a running start into a slide or a chip. Yeah. So my computer's jogging a little bit right here. It won't be like that when you guys go to actually play. It's just because I'm recording. So I was talking about a second ago how this works, right? So it's great for just one-on-one practice with the goalie. So if I go to take a shot here, if the goalie picks it up there, like he does, I failed to miss it, right? I failed to make it. So it's going to reset me to where we originally started. Additionally, if I'm down here and I take a shot, I was trying to get it to be a rebound. But if at any point you want to reset where you were, you can hit L, R, and Y all at the same time, and it will reset you to the beginning. If you make a shot, I was really trying to make a shot when I said that there. I'm on the spot here. I almost had it. But if you make a shot, it will also reset you to the beginning as well. So that's great. And you might ask, why are all these CPUs down here and stuff? Mainly it's because if the CPUs are on the other side of the map while you're on this side, the goalie is going to think it's a breakaway, and he will start further out here. And it just is kind of not as realistic as to maybe how it would be in a match where defense is played a little tighter. So you can practice your chips like that, and if you miss it, well, great, you're already back here, and you can just try again, right? And one of these days, you'll make a shot. It doesn't seem like I will, though. But yeah, if you just want to reset, you can hit L, R, and Y. You can do this on any of the stages just by going back and hitting quit. And I guess that's kind of it. Once you're done with your practice and whatnot, and you're closed out, etc., just make sure to come back and go to properties, Gecko Codes, and just uncheck the Gecko Code. Because then if you're playing online with others, then that might interfere with your game. If you are new to the community, this I think could be a really good way for you to train. If you're not familiar with our community, we play Super Mario Strikers all the time on through this Dolphin emulator, through like something called NetPlay. And if you're interested, I'll drop the link to our Discord in this YouTube video, and come check us out. I hope this is useful to anyone. And if you find like a bug, you want to report something, please drop it in the comments or in Discord. Thanks everyone. This was Pool Boy. Bye bye.